Hello everyone, welcome back to the another lecture on the design of fasteners. We started with the solving the problems on the design of riveted joints. So we'll continue another one problem on the design of riveted joint. Okay, I'll read out the problem first. Two plates of 10 thickness each are to be joined by means of the single riveted double strap joint. Determine the rivet diameter. Okay, diameter is not given now, you have to determine it. Rivet pitch, that is P, is also not given. Strap thickness and efficiency of the joint. Take the working stresses in the tension and shearing as 80 megapascal and 60 megapascal respectively. Okay, so here we have to completely design a one riveted joint. Okay, in previous example we have just found out the efficiencies and all. Here we have to design on complete lap joint or butt joint, whatever it is. Okay, so what is the procedure? First you write down the given data. T equal to 10 sigma T equal to 80 megapascal and tau equal to 60 megapascal. Okay, now first you have to find out the diameter of the rivet, and formula for that is 6 into root T is the formula to calculate the diameter of the rivet. Okay, as the thickness is greater than 8 Okay, now when the thickness is greater than 8 then you have to use this formula. So it is D equal to 6 root T. So T is the thickness 10 So find that 18.97 is the diameter of the rivet hole. Okay, now you cannot take it directly. There are some standard rivet holes are available and you have to select those from the data handbook. Okay, so standard diameter of the rivet hole is equals to 19 from the data handbook, and corresponding diameter of the rivet is 18 which is one less than that of the rivet hole. Next, we'll go for the finding out the pitch of the rivet hole. Now, in order to find out the pitch, okay, we'll go for the tearing strength. PT equal to sigma T P minus D into T. So sigma T is 80 megapascal they have given. P is not mentioned, you have to find it. D is the diameter of the rivet, we already found out, that is 19 and T is the thickness, that is 10 So once you find out, you will get the equation in terms of P. Okay, still the P is unknown. So we'll go for the next strength, shearing strength, that is PS equal to N into 1.875 pi by 4 D square into tau. Now this formula is as per the Indian boiler regulation. Okay, so 1 N equal to 1 into 1.875 pi by 4 into D is 19 into tau, that is shear stress, that is 60. So once you solve it, you will get the answer as 31.90 kilo Newton. Okay, so next thing is you have to equating equation 1 and 2. So once you equate it, what you will get? 800 into P minus 19, okay, which is basically this equation, equal to 31,900. So we can easily solve for P. So P is equal to 58.87 you will get. We'll take a next E1 value, that is 60 Okay, so according to the Indian boiler regulation, we have to find out the maximum pitch of the rivet. So for that there is formula P max equal to K into T plus 41.28 Now this value of K you will get from the data handbook. Okay, you have to search for single riveted double strap joint, and in front of that you will get the value for K, which is nothing but 1.75. So P max equal to, now substitute and get the P max as 60 mm. Correct? Now from above two values, we have to compare the two values and we have to take the maximum value as 60 mm. Now we found out the PL, so that is the pitch. Next we will try to find out the thickness of the cover plate, which is given by the formula 0.625 into T. Okay, 0.625 into T is nothing but 10 mm, that is the thickness of the plate. Now let us go for the finding out the efficiency. Before that you have to calculate the tearing strength, which is equal to 32,800 Newton. Also shearing strength you have to calculate, which is 31,900 Newton, and you have to take the minimum of PT and PS. So minimum is how much? 31,900. Okay. Next go for calculating the strength of the solid plate, that is PT into T into sigma T. So this is nothing but 48,000 Newton. The answer you will get. So once you got these two values, you have to just divide both the numbers. Okay, strength of the joint divided by strength of the solid plate. 31,900 divided by 40,000 in 46,000 into 100. So you'll get 66.5 percentage. That is the efficiency of the riveted joint. Thank you.